Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about what stock we traded today and what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us, and also I'll be showing you my live trades what I did today in futures, and also today I traded in Nifty futures. Okay, so I'll be showing you all these trades. Okay, just with a capital of 20,000 rupees I was able to make almost like 4,700 rupees today. Okay, so almost 20% gain on my capital. I'll be showing you this how I made this profit, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. To get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade what I gave. So today I gave HCL Tech sell. Okay, and the target hit. As you can see, the stock fell down. So here is the first screenshot of profit. 2075 rupees profit, 2643 rupees profit, 2148 rupees profit, and 5100 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we are able to book today in today's trade of HDFC Bank. Okay, so guys, now let me show you my live trading what I did on the futures. Okay, so guys, right now I'm planning to do a live intraday trading on HCL Tech. So planning to buy this around 464.9. As of now the stock is at 463. I mean the future, so I'm doing in futures today, that is HCL Tech futures. So we'll see how this stock would perform. So 464.30 as of now. Our buy is not yet triggered, waiting for it. So guys, as you can see, my order is triggered, and as you guys know, I bought it at 464.9. so let's exit at 467 or 466. So guys, as of now the HCL Tech is trading at 465.25. We are still holding this future, so we'll see how it will perform. So guys, I managed to exit this stock around 466 and I was able to pick like 1190 rupees profit now. Okay, so this was a trade what I did on HCL Tech. Now if I take any other trades, I'll be updating you guys. So guys, now doing the second trade, I just bought TechM, okay, around 523.25. So we'll see how this stock would perform now. Okay, so guys, it's almost at 525 now. I shall exit this. So yes, so I did a two quick trades today, and as you guys can see, so I just booked 1500 rupees profit in TechM now. So totally 2600 rupees profit. So 1900 rupees profit in HCL Tech, and in TechM 1500 rupees profit. So guys, the reason why I exited HCL Tech very fast was because the movement was very less. Okay, after I exit it went up till 468, but it's fine because I was also watching TechM, and TechM trade was coming, so that's why I wanted to trade on TechM also. So that's the reason why I exited HCL Tech, because it was a little bit of slow movement, but it's fine. Anyway, I booked 1190 rupees profit in HCL Tech, and in TechM I was able to book 1500 rupees. And guys, I just used a capital of almost 20,000 rupees only for these trades. Okay, so let me just show you that. So yes, as you guys can see, this I have a capital of 21,963 rupees. So I just started with 20,000 rupees, and also as you guys know, in the last trade I made a profit of 2,250 rupees, and I got the profit. So I didn't withdraw that profit. The profit is still in my account. Okay, and as you guys know, I'm using this Asta account, and the brokerage is also very less. So that's why I'm doing a small trade like this and booking a profit like this. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit like this. Okay, and these are the quick trades what I did within just 2 to 3 minutes. So as you guys can see, TechM within 2 to 3 minutes I was able to book a profit in TechM. HCL Tech was moving a little bit slower, so that's why I exited and I took a trade on TechM. Okay, so guys, after HCL Tech and the TechM trade, I did two more trades as you guys can see. So I traded it on Reliance and also the Nifty futures. Okay, in Reliance I was able to make 1075 rupees profit, and on Nifty future I was able to make 1147 rupees profit, as you guys can see. And the overall profit what I booked was almost like 4700 rupees. Let me show you my trades. So on Nifty futures I just bought it around 9274 and I sold it around 9290, as you guys can see. So 9289 is a zero point 0.5 is the order where it got executed. Okay, and coming to the Reliance I bought it around no, Reliance I shorted actually, as you guys can see here with the time you can see guys. So at 11:23 I just shorted it around 1217, and as you can see at 11:25, just within 2 minutes it fell till 1215. So I was able to exit there and book a profit. Okay, and also you can see the quantity there in the Reliance. I got 500 quantity, that is one lot. So whatever trade I did today was full of futures, that is Reliance futures, HCL Tech future, Nifty future, and TechM future, as you guys can see. And coming to the order book again, so again in Nifty I just bought it around 9274, around 127, and at 12:30 my target was executed at 9289.5. So guys, these are the trades what I did. Okay, and now let me show you the charges, like what are the investment I needed to do on these trades. So guys, now let's talk about the investment what it would take to trade in Asta. Okay, let me go to margin. So let me check what are the margins required to do in the futures. So firstly guys, I did in Nifty. So lot size is 75. I did in one lot, as you guys know. and you just need 3,500 rupees to trade in one lot of futures for intraday trading in Asta, and also for Bank Nifty also it's 3,500. And now let's talk about HCL Tech, what we did. So for HCL Tech you need 16,415, and as you guys know I traded with the capital of 20,000 rupees, so I took one lot of HCL Tech. And now coming to Tech M, so for Tech M it's again 16,442, so I took a one lot. And Reliance, so for Reliance it's 15,219 for one lot of futures. Okay, so this is about Asta margin. So if you guys wish to open an account in Asta, you guys can go inside the link in the description below of this video, so you can click on that link and open your account if you guys wish to open the account in Asta, because Asta provides a very good margin, as you guys can see, and once you're getting good margin you should always be safe. Okay, so that's the reason why in my live trades I exit quickly. Okay, because I'm holding one lot. Okay, and I keep a minimal target and I exit it with a minimal target. Okay, and also guys, the brokerages are very less. Okay, so as you guys can see I did 4 trades and I booked around 4,700 rupees profit. So by max the brokerage will go up to 800 or 1,000 rupees only by doing these trades, that too in futures. Okay, so this was about my live trading and Asta, the platform what I use today for intraday trading. And also guys, you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.